1. Q. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Jane.
3Q. Where are you from?
A. I'm from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
For Q, where do you live?
A. I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
5Q. How old are you?
A. I'm 33 years old.
6Q. What's your job?
A. I work as a laborer at a large hospital in the city.
7Q. Where do you work?
A. I work at one of the biggest hospitals in Ho Chi Minh City.
8Q. What do you do?
A. I handle various support tasks at the hospital, assisting the staff with day-to-day operations.
9Q. How long have you been working there?
A. I've been working there for about 5 years.
10Q. What's your phone number?
A. My phone number is 0901234567.
11Q. How's the weather today?
A. It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
12Q. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
A. Yes, I'm planning to go out with some friends and maybe sing karaoke.
13Q. How did you spend your day?
A. I worked at the hospital and then spent some time dancing at home.
14Q. Are you busy right now?
A bit, but I can chat for a few minutes.
15Q. What's the time?
A. It's 3 p.m.
16Q. How was your weekend?
A. It was relaxing. I went out for karaoke and did some dancing.
17Q. Do you like your job?
A. Yes, I find it rewarding to help the hospital, staff and patients.
18Q. What time do you start work?
A. I start work at 8 a.m.
19Q. What time do you finish work?
A. I usually finish around 5 p.m.
20Q. How do you get to work?
A. I take the bus to work every day.
21Q. Do you like to read?
A. Yes, I love reading, especially novels and self-help books.
22Q. Do you enjoy sports?
A. I'm not very into sports, but I love dancing as a form of exercise.
23Q. What's your favorite food?
A. My favorite food is pho, especially with lots of fresh herbs.
24Q. Do you have any hobbies?
A. Yes, I enjoy singing and dancing.
25Q. What kind of movies do you like?
A. I love romantic comedies and musicals.
26Q. Do you like to travel?
A. Yes, I love traveling to new places when I get the chance.
27Q. What's your favorite color?
A. My favorite color is blue.
28Q. Do you play any instruments?
A. No, but I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar.
29Q. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
A. I prefer coffee, especially iced coffee.
30Q. What's your favorite book?
A. My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen.
31Q. Where do you usually shop for groceries?
A. I usually go to the local supermarket near my house.
32Q. Do you like cooking?
A. Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially trying out new recipes.
33Q, how often do you eat out?
A. I eat out about once or twice a week.
34Q, what's your favorite restaurant?
A. I love this small pho restaurant near my workplace.
35Q, do you like trying new foods?
A. Yes, I love trying different cuisines and dishes.
36Q, what's your favorite cuisine?
A. I love Vietnamese cuisine, but I also enjoy Italian food.
37Q, do you prefer eating at home or dining out?
A. I prefer eating at home because I can cook exactly how I like it.
38Q, do you have a favorite drink?
A. Yes, I love smoothies, especially mango smoothies.
39Q, do you like desserts?
A. Yes, I love desserts, especially anything with chocolate.
40Q, are you a good cook?
A. I think so. My friends say I make a great stir-fried noodles dish.
41Q, do you have any siblings?
A. Yes, I have one younger brother.
42Q, are you married?
A. No, I'm currently single.
43Q, do you have any children?
A. No, I don't have any children.
44Q, do you live with your family?
A. Yes, I live with my parents.
45Q, how often do you see your family?
A. I see them every day since I live with them.
46Q, who is your best friend?
A. My best friend is Lily. We've known each other since high school.
47Q, do you have a lot of friends?
A. Yes, I have a good group of friends who I like spending time with.
48Q, do you and your family travel together?
A. Yes, we usually take a family trip once a year.
49Q, are you close to your family?
A. Yes, we're very close and supportive of each other.
50Q, how do you usually spend time with your friends?
A. My favorite color is blue.
51Q, do you like to travel by plane?
A. Yes, I enjoy flying because it's quick and convenient.
52Q, have you ever been to another country?
A. Yes, I've been to Thailand and Malaysia.
53Q, where would you like to visit?
A. I'd love to visit Japan one day.
54Q, how do you prefer to travel?
A. I prefer traveling by plane for long distances and by motorbike around the city.
56Q, what's your favorite way to travel?
A. I love road trips because I can explore different places along the way.
57Q, do you like to explore new places?
A. Yes, I love discovering new cities and towns.
58Q, how do you plan your trips?
A. I usually research online, book hotels, and make a list of places to see.
59Q, do you like to travel alone or with others?
A. I prefer traveling with friends because it's more fun.
60Q, what's the longest trip you've been on?
The longest trip I took was to Thailand for 2 weeks.
61Q, do you enjoy working with your team?
A. Yes, I have a great team, and we support each other.
62Q, what are your work hours?
A. I work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
63. Q. Do you work from home or in an office?
A. I work at the hospital, so I'm there in person.
64. Q. What do you like most about your job?
A. I enjoy being able to help others and to make a difference.
65. Q. What's your dream job?
A. My dream job would be to become a nurse.
66. Q. Do you have a lot of meetings?
A. No, not many. Most of my work is hands-on.
67. Q. Do you have to travel for work?
A. No, I don't have to travel for my job.
68. Q. Are you looking for new job opportunities?
A. Not at the moment, but I'm open to possibilities.
69. Q. How do you handle stress at work?
A. I try to take deep breaths and focus on one task at a time.
70. Q. Do you prefer to spend time indoors or outdoors?
A. I like both, but I prefer spending time outdoors. When the weather is nice, I enjoy going for walks or having picnics in the park.
71. Q. Do you use a smartphone?
A. Yes, I use my smartphone every day, for work and to stay connected with friends.
72. Q. What's your favorite app?
A. My favorite app is YouTube, where I can watch singing and dancing videos.
73. Q. Are you active on social media?
A. Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram to keep up with friends and share moments.
74. Q. Do you like online shopping?
A. Yes, it's very convenient, especially for finding good deals.
75. Q. How often do you check your email?
A. I check my email a few times a day to stay updated.
76. Q. Do you like video games?
A. I play games occasionally, mostly casual, games on my phone.
77. Q. What kind of phone do you have?
A. I have a Samsung Galaxy.
78. Q. Do you use a laptop or desktop computer?
A. I have a laptop that I use for personal projects and browsing.
79. Q. Are you comfortable with technology?
A. Yes, I'm quite familiar with technology and can use most devices.
80. Q. Do you prefer texting or calling?
A. I prefer texting because it's quick and easy.
81. Q. Do you exercise regularly?
A. Yes, I try to dance at least a few times a week for exercise.
82. Q. What's your favorite exercise?
A. I love dancing. It's fun and helps me stay fit.
83. Q. Do you follow a special diet?
A. No, I don't follow a strict diet, but I try to eat healthy.
84. Q. Do you like going to the gym?
A. I prefer exercising at home or dancing rather than going to the gym.
85. Q. How often do you go for a walk?
A. I walk every day, especially around the hospital during breaks.
86. Q. Do you get enough sleep?
A. I try to get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night.
87. Q. How do you relax after a long day?
A. I like to listen to music and sometimes watch a movie.
88Q, do you take any vitamins or supplements?
A. Yes, I take a multivitamin daily.
89Q, do you meditate?
A. I don't meditate regularly, but I try to take a few quiet moments each day.
90Q, how often do you see a doctor?
A. I usually go for a checkup once a year.
91Q, do you like going to the movies?
A. Yes, I enjoy watching movies, especially in our theaters when I can.
92Q, are you a good dancer?
A. I think I'm pretty good. Dancing is one of my favorite hobbies.
93Q, do you like parties?
A. Yes, I enjoy parties where I can dance and spend time with friends.
94Q, what do you usually do on weekends?
A. I usually go out with friends or relax at home with some music.
95Q, do you enjoy concerts?
A. Yes, I love live music and concerts are a great way to enjoy it.
96Q, are you a morning person or a night owl?
A. I'm more of a night owl, but I can wake up early if needed.
97Q, do you like to sing?
A. Yes, I love singing, especially karaoke with friends.
98Q, do you enjoy art?
A. Yes, I enjoy visiting art galleries and seeing different styles.
99Q, are you into fashion?
A. Yes, I like keeping up with trends and dressing well.
100Q, do you like meeting new people?
A. Yes, I enjoy making new connections and learning about different backgrounds.